Okay, last wee bit then, part C, we want to convert this speed to kilometres per hour. So right now, I've got, I must have deleted my answer. 3,208.07 metres per second. Okay, so that's my speed right now, and right now it's in metres per second. I want to convert the speed to kilometres per hour. So we just look at one bit at a time. I'm in metres. How do I go from metres to kilometres? Divide by 1,000. So divide that by 1,000. That's now in kilometres per second. How do I get from seconds to hours? How do I get from seconds to minutes? There are 60 seconds in a minute, and then 60 minutes in an hour. So altogether I'm timesing by 3,600. Calculator. So 3.20807 times 3600, 11549.052. And that's now in kilometres per hour.